Hi there. In this video I'll show you how to set up a dual monitor wallpaper to span across both of your monitors. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's jump right into it. Here we are on my desktop, and as you can see, at the moment I've just got the default Windows wallpaper. But we will download a wallpaper which is going to span over both of my monitors, and it's going to look really cool. The first thing you want to do is just go onto your desktop, right-click, and as you can see we're going to get this menu here. And you want to go and click on Display Settings just here. It's going to load. And here we are. Next I'm going to click on one of the monitors. As you can see, I've got two different monitors connected. I'm clicking on number 1 for now. And then I will scroll down and locate the display resolution. As you can see, my monitor resolution is 1920 by 1080. Next, I will check the resolution of the second monitor. And as you can see, it's also 1920 by 1080. I will then open my calculator and add 1920 plus 1920, and I get 3840. And if I add 1080 by 1080, I get 2160. Please don't use my values, but rather follow these steps so that you can download a wallpaper that will fit your screens correctly. The next step is to open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So here goes. Once it opens, search for the number you got. Mine is 3840, so it will be 3840 by 2160 wallpapers. And click Search. Next, we click on the Images tab. Then select an image you want, or you can search for a specific wallpaper that you're interested in. I'm just going to select this one here. You can either right-click and save as you can see. And I saved it in Downloads, or you can click on the image, and click on Visit to go to the website and download it from there. Now that I'm in, I see more amazing wallpapers, so I'll just select another one that I like. Then click Download. Now that I have the wallpaper I want, I can go back to my desktop, right-click, and select Personalize. Then I will select Background. And then I'll select Browse Photos. A new window will appear. I must go to the location of the wallpapers I downloaded. Mine are in Downloads. Next, I select the wallpaper I want. And select Choose Picture. The next step is to choose a fit for your wallpaper, because by default it will fill the wallpaper to both screens. All you do to correct this is click on the drop-down menu in the Choose a Fit for your Desktop Image tab. And select Span. And there you have it, guys, your new wallpaper is set to span across your monitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thanks again, and good luck setting